Hi there, I hope you can see. My parcel has just arrived, the second parcel. Just trying to work out how I get in it. There's so much tape on it. It's the other colours that have arrived from my Lolly's little wool shack. Let's see if I can get in it. She packages it up very well. Can you still see? Let me just check. Yes, you can still see. It's arrived in bags. Right, what have I got in here? Use the trusty scissors to find out. I love it when it's all wrapped up. It's like Christmas. Oh, that's some more of the, you know, the bargain purple I got the other day. It looks blue on here, but it's actually purple. So it's more of that. But we'll go with the purple I've already got. So now I can make myself a long sleeved one. Oh, this looks fine. This was a bargain. You were getting 500 grams of cream, but they didn't tell you what thickness it was going to be. So it looks fairly fine actually. It's not saying what it is. It looks almost I suppose it's a very fine double knitting. Or it could be a very thick full ply, whichever way you look at it. I don't know whether you can see or you can tell. I hope you can see. So that was a bargain price that I threw in. What have I got in here? I don't know. It's exciting. You're opening it at the same time as I am. It's only going to be a short video this, by the way. It's just an unboxing. What have I got in here? Oh, this is exciting. This is another bargain I decided to buy. It's 5 balls. This was in the bargain pile. I hope you can see this. It's looking all very dark, isn't it? It's an emerald green with a lurex in it. Harmony. 135 grams. Well, I do hope you can see this. It's looking rather dark, isn't it? Let me see if I can move it into a better light. There we go. I'll have to hold it now, so it's going to be a bit awkward now. But there's my box anyway. It's green with a sparkle. Ooh, look at that sparkle. That's very nice. Put that back in the bag. I'll show you the cream again now. It's cream. Let it focus. It's cream. That was the bargain bag. And then the other one was the purple, which looked royal blue. I don't know why my camera turns everything to be royal blue. That's my basket, by the way, that I use as my... I don't have bags, you know, like people have progress at work, what they call them, bags and stuff. I don't. I have a basket on wheels. Anyway, back to what I bought. Oh, look at this. Look, 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 look. There's more colours for my lady to choose from. That looks quite dull on the camera actually, but it's a beautiful bright emerald green. And I've got some of this. Again, it's some kind of a tweed. She never tells you what thickness everything is. Let me see if I can. Sorry if I'm making you sick with the camera diving about. Oh, it's textured, if you can see. Thick and thin. It's very nice though. And then I've got some green. I didn't realise that green was random actually. But it's nice. And if you're looking in the box with me, oh, I've also got some lime, but I don't know whether my friend's going to like that lime. I think she might find that it's a bit too bright, but we can only see. So that's how it arrives. It's all full of goodies, isn't it? Lovely. Ooh, I do like opening parcels. I wish that showed up as purple. It shows up as blue, but it's actually a gorgeous shade of deep purple. So that's going to be mine, of course, yes. I've still got all the stuff from before all hanging around, so I need to sort that out. My living room needs sorting. Even the boxes look blue that I've got there. I bought three boxes, the storage boxes. They're probably going to go in my bedroom when I get it decorated. Ooh, excuse me, just going to show you a box, one of the boxes. That's it. It's like a nest of 3 boxes. Oh, you can see that the tag's purple, can't you? I don't know why the basket's not looking purple, but there's 2 bigger ones there. They're like storage baskets, yeah. So that's what I've got, and that's about it really for today. I just thought you'd like to see the unboxing of all my yarn. It's all from Lolly's Little Wool Shack. It's in Blackpool, and she has some very nice stuff on her site. And I only ordered this, I don't know when I ordered it, maybe to the last yesterday. I ordered it either Wednesday or Thursday, so it's not taken long to arrive, has it? But I do like that tweedy. Feels a little bit woolly, so I don't know whether I'm going to be able to wear it, but I do like it. Do like the colour. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I didn't realise that was 2 coloured, although yeah, it's quite nice colour. We shall see what we shall see. Anyway, I will see you all tonight. By the way, if you're watching this, there's a comment on my last video from a lady who wants to know, just waving to the guy going by, who wants to know what time my channel starts, in Eastern time, I think she wants to know. So if anybody's in America who's on the same timeline as her, can they give her a clue as to what time my video will be starting? Because I'm sort of pretty rubbish at US time. So, oh, don't know what else I've got. I've got something here from eBay. I can't remember what it is now. Don't know. I won't need to in a minute. It's probably going to be some buttons or something that I've ordered, but that's about it. Anyway, I'm waffling now, so I'm going to go. So I shall leave you with a view of my yarn and not a view of me for a change. And I hope you're all enjoying your Saturday. So bye for now.